Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm going to be working with RPGHair, and right now I'm just unboxing the hair for you guys to see how it came. So it came with a comb, which comes in really handy, trust me, because these combs they spoil so easily, but this one is really strong. A hair wax, a toothbrush, a double-ended toothbrush, manual, instruction manual, yeah, and the hair itself. So right now I'm just unboxing the hair. So this hair is a 3-in-1 wig, so it can be straight, it can be kinky, it can be curly. So right here my sister is just showing you guys the hairline, the lace. So it came pre-bleached, like you can already see, and pre-plucked, so she literally didn't need to do anything to the hair. So this is my sister Dobra. She is a professional hairstylist, so I literally just pay her to do these videos for me now because I can't even be bothered, and she's so good at it, so why not. This is our beautiful model that we're going to be using in today's video, and Dobra is doing the bald cap method right now, so I'm just going to let you guys watch and see the process.
anxiety creeps up on me. Is this how it's supposed to feel? Tell me when it's over. I got someplace that I gotta be. It won't leave. My friends say, get out of your comfort zone. It's a blessing in disguise. Get out of what you call home. Your name is written in the sky. It might feel just like you're on your own, but baby, it's another lie. Remember, you were made. I try to work, but it doesn't work. I try to say something, but there's a word. I try to justify my actions, less reactions, heartbeat raising. Oh, it doesn't work.
Alright, so now our beautiful model is back. I already beat her face. In case you don't know, I'm a professional makeup artist. So my sister and I are your purest, your surest glam team. So I already done her makeup, and now Dora is showing you guys the first style, which is the kinky. Oosh, ooh, look at that volume, girl.
Tonight I'm gonna feel like, and no one won't be acting nice. So baby, go and start a fight.
So I'm moving on to style number 2, which is the straights.
Of a big star. I got my girls and I got my cars. Come here, baby, be a buzz. Do whatever you want. I like your shop. We're about to pop.
And this is what it looks like when it's straightened out. Okay, this model, she really knows her job, you guys.
Today I found out what I want. It's everything I've never had. It's been a lifetime feeling sad, feeling sorry for the things that might make you mad. But I'm back, who's back? Bitch, you went in and sorry. All you do is make people around you damn worried. I know it might sound just a little bit corny. Now I know where I stand. Don't even have a plan.
So now to my favorite hairstyle. Whoosh! Like, she literally just wet the hair and it became curly. Are you seeing this? All the details are going to be in my description box below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.